Hi, Miss Trelia.
Hi, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I am Miss Trelia Binada.
How old are you?
I am 42 years old.
What your marital status?
I am separated.
Do you have a kids?
I have 2 daughters.
Who will take up your kids when you work
My
abroad?
grandmother
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
in Kuwait, sir.
What are your main duties as a helper?
My main duties are take good care of children, like feeding, bathing, changing diaper, putting children to bed, washing their clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes, sir. Willing.
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
If needed, sir.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Yes, sir.
What would you do if you feel homesick?
Calling my family and keep myself busy po, sir.
If your day off is not a Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
I will, sir.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
I'm not afraid, sir.
Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, sir. Willing.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reason during your working hours?
Yes, sir. Willing.
What would you do if the employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
Asking, apologize, and promise not do it again.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Working in Hong Kong, there is high salary.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need my service, sir.
Say a few words to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am and sir. Have a good day. I am trustworthy, reliable, flexible, kind, hardworking, and very patient with children. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon.